DJI has done it again, and this time, they've sent shockwaves through the entire action camera world. The long-rumored DJI Osmo Action 6 has finally stepped into the spotlight, and it's already shaping up to be the biggest evolution the Osmo lineup has ever seen. After months of speculation, leaks, and cryptic teasers, it looks like DJI is ready to reclaim its crown with a camera that blends power, portability, and professional-grade performance in one compact device. What's even more surprising is the price. It's not only competitive but downright aggressive, setting the stage for an all-out battle with GoPro and Insta360. The Osmo Action 6 reportedly packs a 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, a major leap from its predecessors, giving creators access to far better image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Combined with a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, this camera promises exceptional flexibility. Whether you're filming under the blazing sun on a beach, capturing golden hour scenes in low light, or vlogging indoors, this adjustable aperture allows for cinematic control without the need for ND filters. For an action camera, that's huge. It means you can finally control depth of field and exposure just like on professional mirrorless systems, all while keeping your setup pocket-sized. Visually, DJI has refined the design once again, keeping the recognizable Osmo identity but giving it a cleaner, more modern touch. The front now features a minimalist square beside the Action logo, removing the pill-shaped element that once sat below the display. It's a subtle change but one that makes the camera look sleeker and more polished. That little white square isn't just for looks, though. It's believed to house a relocated color temperature sensor, which was previously embedded in the letter O of the Action logo. Beside it sits a tiny dot, a potentially an ambient light sensor or an additional mic input, giving users either improved display brightness control or better audio capture. These refinements show DJI's attention to detail, ensuring that even small changes enhance real-world usability. Under the hood, the Osmo Action 6 brings serious performance gains. Rumors suggest that it can record 4K footage at 30 FPS for up to 2 hours straight on a 1950 mAh battery. That's endurance most competitors can't touch. But the real kicker is its rumored battery life upgrade, with whispers of up to 4 hours of runtime under certain conditions. DJI may have cracked the code for long adventures and extended shooting sessions. Whether you're traveling, skiing, hiking, or filming a long vlog session, the need to constantly swap batteries could finally be a thing of the past. The camera's improved thermal management system also plays a huge role in this. Past DJI Action cameras struggled with heat under extended 4K recording, but reports say the Action 6 now handles temperature more efficiently thanks to an optimized internal structure and new heat dissipation materials. That means longer recording times without the dreaded overheating shutdowns. Then there's stabilization, the one thing that defines how smooth your footage looks in motion. DJI's RockSteady system has always been impressive, but the Action 6 reportedly takes it to a new level with RockSteady 4.0. This next-gen stabilization integrates AI-powered horizon leveling that keeps your footage perfectly flat even if you spin the camera a full 360 degrees. Imagine filming while mountain biking, surfing, or skydiving. No matter how wild the motion gets, your footage remains locked and level. This feature alone could redefine what creators expect from compact cameras, putting the Action 6 in a league of its own for high-motion filming. For comparison, the previous generation, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, was no slouch. It featured a 1.3-inch sensor, 40 megapixel stills, and stellar 4K video performance with 13.5 stops of dynamic range. It was rugged, waterproof up to 20 meters, and delivered smooth, stabilized footage in any environment. But the Action 6 is expected to outclass it in nearly every category, from sensor size and low-light performance to color science and stabilization intelligence. If the leaks are accurate, it might even support 8K video capture, pushing the limits of what's possible in such a small device. That's not to say DJI ignored durability. The Action 6 continues the brand's tradition of adventure-ready build quality, waterproof down to 20 meters, freeze-resistant up to -20°C, and built from tough, lightweight materials. It's designed to survive dust, drops, and the roughest conditions nature can throw at it. This ruggedness makes it ideal for thrill seekers, filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone who needs reliability in extreme environments. But the excitement doesn't stop with the Action 6. DJI's product lineup hints at a larger strategy, and that's where the DJI Avatar 3 comes into the picture. The upcoming FPV drone has been making waves online, and early glimpses suggest it's a complete redesign from its predecessor. Gone are the chunky orange bumpers and bulky shell of the Avatar 2. In their place is a slimmer, more aerodynamic body built for speed and agility. What makes it even more intriguing is the rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, the same sensor size possibly found in the Action 6, promising breathtaking aerial footage with richer colors, smoother dynamic range, and true cinematic quality even in low light. This redesign reportedly moves the battery backward for improved balance, creating space for a more advanced front camera module. The result is a drone that's not only faster and more stable, but also capable of capturing professional-grade footage straight out of the sky. And with upgraded motors, optimized aerodynamics, and a smarter power management system, the Avatar 3 could push flight times to 30 minutes. A remarkable jump from the 23 minutes offered by the Avatar 2. Safety and usability are also getting smarter. The new model is rumored to feature full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, something the previous generation lacked. That's a game changer for new pilots, who will have greater protection during flight, and for pros, who can fly more aggressively and creatively without fear of collisions. DJI is also reportedly working on an upgraded RC Motion 3 controller and new DJI Goggles 3, designed to deliver more immersive flight experiences with reduced latency and better image clarity. The Avatar 3 might even incorporate a mechanical gimbal for the first time in DJI's FPV lineup, combining the freedom of first-person flight with the stability of a traditional aerial platform. Paired with DJI's RockSteady and HoriZonSteady systems, this could finally bring truly cinematic stability to FPV drones and no more shaky footage, just smooth, elegant motion that feels like it was captured by a Hollywood rig. Back to the Osmo Action 6, the most exciting part is the release timing. Initially, leakers pointed to late October 2025, but new evidence from accessory manufacturers confirms the global reveal will happen before November 10, 2025. That means we're just days away from seeing DJI officially unveil its next big product. Pre-orders are expected to go live immediately, with deliveries and retail availability following by mid-November. The pricing strategy is where DJI really stuns. The base bundle is reportedly set at just $329, far lower than most expected for a camera of this caliber. There's also a $429 extras bundle and a $579 adventure bundle, likely including mounts, batteries, and additional accessories. Considering the tech on offer, this pricing undercuts competitors while offering far superior versatility. For vloggers, travelers, and professional creators, that's an irresistible deal. What makes the Osmo Action 6 truly stand out isn't just its specs, it's the message it sends. DJI isn't content with incremental updates. This is a company taking bold steps, bringing professional-level imaging and control into a device that fits in your pocket. The adjustable aperture, upgraded stabilization, improved design, and longer battery life all combine to create a camera that redefines what an action cam can be. As the action camera space heats up, the Osmo Action 6 could be the defining release of 2025. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement that innovation still matters, that performance doesn't need to come at a premium, and that even in a saturated market, there's still room to surprise and inspire. With the Osmo Action 6 leading the charge, and the Avatar 3 waiting just beyond the horizon, DJI's 2025 lineup might go down as one of the most transformative years in the company's history. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, filmmaker, or everyday creator, one thing is certain, DJI is ready to make your next adventure look better than ever.